All right, so SurviveX finally did it. They made a waterproof version of their famous first aid kit. This is gonna be great for anybody that is out on a boat or anywhere that it's gonna be wet and you just don't want the supplies inside of it to get wet. Now their older model, like the large, the traditional, their flagship one is great for having at home or in the car, but sometimes, you know, you need something for a waterproof situation, and I'm so glad that they actually came up with this. Now, let's go through some of the things on here. If you've never seen one of these, they are gonna have this webbing on the back so you can mount this up on a wall, and then it's got Velcro, which you can easily pull that off and access this when you need it. So if you want to mount this somewhere on your boat, you can just grab the strap from here and then pull it off from the Velcro. And then up here on the front, they've got this small pouch here, which you could put in documents or anything that's really thin and light. And then over here, you've got your American flag, nice touch on there. Let's go ahead and open it up. Now, the main thing here is you're gonna notice that this has a waterproof zipper. So if we pull this all the way tight, you can see that nothing's gonna get in here, and that's what's making it actually waterproof. And of course, the canvasy material on the outside. All right, now on the inside, we've got everything that we know and love from the traditional large first aid kit. You can see you've got everything color coded and labeled. So all the blue stuff here is going to be for hygiene. Then you've got personal care in teal. Let me go ahead and open this up and kind of see what's in here. So we've got things like cold packs, cooling patches. We've got a biohazard waste bag in here. Then you've got everything that is in black is going to be your supplies. So things like we've got shears, we've got extraction pins, we've got space blankets, triangular bandages. And then everything in red is going to be wound care. So you've got things like your stability kit, your conforming bandages, wound dressings. You even have a CPR kit in here. You've got breathable cloth tape, antibiotic ointments. And then one of my favorites are these zip wound closures. This is great if you get a large gash, then you could actually just put this over both sides of the wound, pull the zips, and it's gonna go ahead and close it up. So if you're not able to get to a hospital right away, or if you just don't wanna pay for the trip to the ER, this could save you on a trip to the ER or even some stitches. They also have a couple other things like glow sticks and a whistle as well. So this thing is completely stuffed. It's got pretty much everything that you would need in a first aid kit. And if you're not a nurse or an EMT and you just don't know what to do in an emergency situation, they actually provide this first aid guidebook that just gives you almost every situation that you can think of. It's going to tell you how to diagnose it, what the first steps are, which medications to use, like which emergency supplies to use, who to call in that situation. So this is super handy to have on you in any type of emergency situation. If something happens, it's nice because you could just go grab this. You'll have the book that'll tell you exactly what to do, and then basically every supply in here to cover every situation. And one of the things that people don't really think about when they get their first aid kit is usually everything's just thrown in there, it's jumbled around, and you don't really know where things are. And if something happens and there's an emergency, everyone's, there's chaos going on. People don't know, where to find anything. But I love the fact that they actually labeled everything in here, so you don't have to guess on where anything is. You just go in here, read everything here at the labels, and it'll tell you exactly what it's for. So right here you can see this is wound dressing for major wounds. You've got a stability kit for wounds, sprains, and snake bites. So again, making it just really easy in an emergency situation for you to just go in here, find what you need, and get to using it. If you checked out any of the other first aid kits on Amazon or online, you're gonna find that most of them are not gonna be this comprehensive. And also, you're probably not gonna be able to find a waterproof bag as well. So that's why I think this is the ultimate first aid kit, especially for people on boats or anyone that just needs it in a waterproof situation. So if you're looking for a really good first aid kit, I would definitely recommend this one. It is fully packed with everything you need, and it's all organized right here in this pack.